Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove featured photos on Facebook. So the first thing I'm doing is opening Facebook and waiting for the home page to load in normally. Once I'm signed in, I'm heading up to the top right corner, and right there I can see my profile picture. I'm clicking on that first because that's the quickest way to get over to my profile page where the featured photos section is located. Now that I'm on my profile, I'm scrolling down a bit until I find the featured section. It may take just a moment depending on how much is on your profile, so I'm just moving down the page until I can clearly see it. Once I find that section, I'm looking for the edit featured button, or in some cases the pencil icon. That's the option I need, so I'm clicking on it to open the featured photo editor. At this point, Facebook shows me the featured collections I already have on my profile. I'm looking through them and selecting the collection that contains the photo I want to remove. I'm just clicking into the correct collection and letting it open so I can manage the photos inside it. If you have more than one collection, just take a second here and make sure you're opening the right one before changing anything. Now that the collection is open, I'm moving my mouse over the photo I want to remove. As I hover over it, Facebook gives me the option to remove it, usually with a remove button or a small X icon. So I'm hovering over the exact photo I no longer want in the featured section, and once I see that option appear, I'm clicking it. As soon as I do that, the photo is marked for removal from the collection. I'm just checking the screen to make sure I removed the right one and that everything looks the way I want before I finish up. This is a good point to pause for a second and make sure the collection still looks right after taking that photo out. Once that's done, I'm clicking save. That applies the changes and updates the featured section on my profile. If Facebook takes a second to refresh, that's completely normal, so I'm just giving it a moment. After that, the photo I removed is no longer part of that featured collection on my profile. So really, the whole process is pretty simple. Open Facebook, click your profile picture at the top right, go to your profile page, scroll down to the featured section, click edit featured or the pencil icon, open the collection that has the photo you want to remove, hover over that photo, click remove or the X icon, and then click save. And that's it. That's how to remove featured photos on Facebook.